So this motor used to make a horrible noise when you started it up when it was cold, and I've got some footage of that. I'll put that in right now. Eventually I was able to find searching around on the internet, I had thought was piston slap is what I was hearing, but that wasn't at all what it was. When I redid the timing belt, the tensioner, there's a hydraulic tensioner in there, and it was sort of worn out and lazy.
You can see the difference between the old one I just took out is really got a lot of oil around it. I don't know if that ran down from the motor, if it's leaking out of this hydraulic thing here. This top is really worn here.
When it was cold, it would take a while for that oil or whatever in there to heat up enough to expand the tensioner to tighten the timing belt. So what I was actually hearing was a timing belt slapping around in there, which isn't a good thing. So you shouldn't ignore that. If you got a real noisy Subaru engine on startup, I'd have your timing belt changed or checked, or at least that tensioner pulley replaced. I think that was probably the problem. Now it's nice and quiet.